Cadet Vaibhav from Bhadruka College of Commerce and Arts 30 by 5T Battalion AP and Telangana Directorate. Today I am here to tell you about International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on 26th June. This day is also known as World Drug Day and Anti-Drug Day. This day is celebrated in the whole world to create awareness about the drug abuse. This day is observed since 1989 in the whole world. Many seminars and lectures and speeches are given by the many countries to make people understand about the drug abuse. In the year 2021, the aim and the theme of this day is to make drug-free society. Government of India has taken many rules and regulations to stop the drug abuse. So stop taking drugs and say no to drugs. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am Shivam Poddar of Bhadruka College 30 by 5 Company 5 Telangana Battalion Hyderabad Group Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate Army Wing of National Cadet Corps. International Day Against Drug Abuse is celebrated every year on 26 June to raise awareness among people against drug abuse and also to spread information about its side effects. Drug abuse can have many side effects on the body such as brain damage, kidney damage, lungs and respiratory issues. Treatment is also available in the form of medication, therapies and rehabilitation centers. Remember, saving one individual from abusing drug can save the whole family. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. I am Cadet B. Pravika of Bhadruka Degree College, 30 by 5 Company, AP and Telangana Directorate, Hyderabad Group. The International Day Against Drug Abuse is an United Nations International Day against the abuse and illegal drug trade. It is annually observed on 26th June since 1989. Campaigns, rallies and poster making programs are created to make awareness in the society. The Assembly made a decision to observe this day as an expression of resolution to make international society free of drugs. Life does not divide. Say no to drugs.
Jai Hind. My name is Cadet Ankita, 30 by 5 Koi, Bhadruka College, 5 Telangana Battalion, Hyderabad Group, AP and Telangana Directorate. Today I am going to speak about International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Share drug facts to save life is the theme of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking of this year. Every year on June 26, with an aim is to spread awareness about the global drug problem and eliminate the misuse of drugs. Together we can tackle this world drug problem said by UNODC. Stop and say no to drugs. Drug costs you more than just money. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Myself, Cadet P. Sai Sindhu from 5 Telangana Battalion, Badruka College, certified by company, AP and Telangana Directorate, Hyderabad Group. Today, let's talk something about International Day Against Drug Abuse, which is observed every year on June 26 to create awareness on issues related to drugs and seek international cooperation to combat its effects on society, health and governance. The day, June 26, was chosen by United Nations of General Assembly on 7 December 1987. The theme of World Drug Day 2021 is to share facts on drugs and save lives. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Myself Cadet Mettu Arika from Badruka College, 5 Telangana Battalion, 30 by 5 Company, Hyderabad Group, AP and Telangana Directorates. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Drug Trade. It is observed annually on June 26 since 1989. It is observed initially by General Assembly Resolution 42 by 112 of 7th December. The United Nations 2007 World Drug Report puts the value of illegal drug trade as $322 billion a year. So I request everyone to raise your voice and create awareness against drug abuse. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. This is Cadet Trishul Singh, Badruka College, 5 Telangana Battalion, 30 by 5 Company, AP and Telangana Directorate. Nowadays, drug addiction is a severe problem around the world. The drug is not dangerous substance itself, but people misuse it in different ways. It is highly dangerous and can cause severe health issues if it is taken on a regular basis. The drug should not be taken until and unless you have a medical advice. It doesn't take time to convert the drug from an option to addiction. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty not to misuse the drugs and as it costs our lives. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. This is Cadet TP Reshma of Badruka College, 35 by Company, 5 Telangana Battalion, AP and T Directorate and Hyderabad Group. Today I am going to speak about drug abuse. Drug is a substance that causes human death when taken more than the dosage. It causes change in psychological structure of a person when consumed. In present situation, there are many factors that push people to take support of drug addiction and make one's life miserable. Drug has the ability to take away all the good things in our life and ultimately our life. Drug is usually not a dangerous substance, but people misuse it in many ways. Drug is harmful and causes many health issues when taken on a regular basis. So the government of India has came up with many rules and regulations regarding the production of the drug. So it is our duty as a responsible citizen of our country to follow these rules and regulations appropriately. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Myself Cadet Varsha, 30 by 5 Company, Badruka College, 5 Telangana Battalion, Hyderabad Group, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate. I am going to talk about drug abuse. Drug abuse might start out as a bad habit and initially it grows into a harmful disease. Drug abuse should be minimized and it should be treated. If left untreated, it can grow into an addiction which can cause serious problems like cancer, heart problems, breathing problems, etc. So I request everyone to stand against drug abuse and stop use of drug abuse and create awareness about drugs. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. I am G. Srija from Badruka College, 5T Battalion NCC, 30 by 5 Company, AP and Telangana Directorate. International Day Against Drug Abuse is observed annually 26 June 1989. It is also called World Drug Day. To create awareness about issues related to drugs and seek international cooperation to combat its effect on health and society. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Myself Cadet V. Sri Sumaja, 30 by 5 Koi, Badruka College, 5T Battalion, Hyderabad Group, AP and TS Directorate. The General Assembly decided to observe 26 June as International Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking as an expression which determines the strength and action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free from drug abuse. Together, we can tackle the world drug problem. All we have to do is share facts on drugs and to help save lives. Thank you.
I'm Cadet Sri Sankirtana C from 30 by 5 Company, Badruka College, 5 Telangana Battalion, AP and Telangana Directorate. Consumption of drugs has become a social evil in modern times. People tend to ruin their relationships of personal and professional lives as well. People also consume drugs to escape from reality. Taking drugs has become uncontrollable and it ruins your life completely. It damages your brain, liver, lungs, kidneys, and many other organs. So say no to drugs. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.